Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the yellow and black preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. Let's get started. Go to Light and adjust the exposure to -0.35. Adjust the contrast to 69. Highlights to -39. Adjust shadows to 23. Whites to -70 and blacks to 21. Then slightly adjust the curves like this. Now go to color. Vibrance 29. Finally saturation to 16. Then let's adjust the colors. Red, decrease the saturation to -20. Decrease the luminance to -10. Orange, decrease the hue by -10. Decrease the saturation to -30. Increase the luminance to 10. Yellow, decrease the hue by -17. Increase the saturation to 30. Increase the luminance to 30. Then decrease the saturation of other colors to -100. Go to color grading. Adjust the highlights by making hue 218. Saturation 10. Increase blending to 100. Go to effects. Now adjust the texture 15. Clarity 49. Divas 39. Vignette -37. Feather 80. Now let's adjust the details. Noise reduction 15. Color noise reduction 35. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after of this photo. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.